Hey, it's Brittany and I'm here at the Yacht Club Resort. Super excited to show you guys this resort. It is so fancy and the lobby is like kind of dark, so it's like moody and fun. I don't know, I love this resort. Such a great location for this resort too. You're walking distance from Epcot, you have access to the Skyliner. So many awesome things. The pool here is amazing. You're close to Beaches and Cream because you're connected to Beach Club. So many good things. Oh, and you're on the boardwalk, so you can walk the whole boardwalk. Go to Jelly Rolls, do what you gotta do, cake bake shop, whatever you wanna do. So many cool things here at this resort. Let's head inside and check it out. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go in. So I'm out front still. So the bus stop to take you to other parks is right here, which is fabulous. But this is where you get dropped off if you're coming in from the airport, taking a taxi, that kind of thing. But if you're on property, you're gonna be taking the buses right over there at that bus stop. So it's nice and convenient. It takes you right to the front of the resort. So let's head inside. Like I said, this lobby is like moody. I don't know, I feel like it's like makes it extra fancy. Some like super fancy music playing. But let's head inside so you guys can check it out. It's gorgeous though. And it's still kind of Christmassy in here. Haven't really taken it down from this resort yet, but this is the lobby. Like I said, very, very moody in here. To my left, we're gonna have bell services if you're looking for bell services. We also have the Ale and Compass Lounge. And this is also to the convention center. You go down this hallway. This looks gorgeous. I love the flooring in here. It's beautiful. It's from 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. And over here we have the actual Ale and Compass restaurant, which we'll walk down that hallway in a little bit and I can show you guys some more. We're just gonna make a little loop around the lobby. Some cool ships. Like I said, very moody in here. I love it though. It smells really good. Let's head out this door to the boardwalk and then we'll come back in and go the opposite way. It's a big resort, so we're gonna make kind of a couple loop, well, one loop, and then we'll head that way towards Beach Club because I'll show you kind of those amenities. This is kind of the courtyard. There's a nice little seating area over here. You can sit, rock in a rocking chair, just hang out. Over here is how you're gonna get to the boardwalk. So there are boats that take you to and from everything as well. Very nice, convenient. The pool is over here. This is an awesome pool. We'll see more of it when I walk that way. But this is your entrance to walk around the boardwalk. At the Boardwalk Resort, cake bake shop, just everything over here on the boardwalk. So let's actually head back inside and go this way, which is the way we were walking before I took the left to come outside. Let's head back inside and take a left. I know this whole area it's stunning. It's great, I love it. It's pretty big too. Some more seating out here, which is fabulous. Sit down, rest your feet after a long day, take in all Florida has to offer. But we have, look at this giant globe. Before we get on that hallway, we're actually gonna come upstairs here. So basically for wayfinding, that's the door I came in originally. We walked that way all the way around, went outside, and now we're back over here. So we have some really cool stuff. Just hanging out here. Very fun. I think this is just kind of an area to sit down, but it's cool. It looks like it goes all the way around to other rooms and other seating. But we're just gonna come over here, show you guys some of these details. So fun. Yeah, elevators, just some fun little details up here. Just overlook the lobby, which is gorgeous. These chairs are very low to the ground. Very odd. Yeah, this looks like this is just staterooms. Again, I'm on a ship. Rooms, guest rooms. There's a private event happening in there. Well, it makes sense because it's, you know, yacht and beach. So something like that was called the stateroom, which is hilarious. I was like, oh, that's what it's called. But yeah, let's head downstairs. And go down one of the hallways over here. So to the right is bell services, and then left is concierge and check-in desk. That's where you want to go. Any questions? Like that, we have like a little kiddo area. Some cartoons. I think there's some restrooms over here. I think another bank of elevators. Yes. So we're gonna head down the main hallway here. We have the map of the resort here, which is great. So if you want to see what this is all about, where you're at, if you get lost, don't worry, there's a map. We're headed to the market at Ale and Compass. So it's like the market and gift shop here at this resort. I love the floors here too with the ships and the maps. It's cool. Yes. And this resort, like all of them, will have its own merch, which is fabulous. So let's head in here. This is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Right here, it's all the Yacht Club stuff. I love these ears. How cute. This is adorable. Yacht Club shirt, like a Stein looking mug. Wow, this music in here is very loud. We have some pins and other things specifically for this resort. Let's see what else. We have a towel. Ooh, they have this stuff, the Kate Spade stuff in here because this is fancy resort, so I get the fancy stuff. Yacht and Beach Club polo. Some shirts. Yeah, really cute stuff. This is the Christmas pin, that's cool. So this is gonna be your quick serve option here for this resort. So you have your wines, ooh, muffins, pastries, all kinds of good stuff in here. Yeah, so this is where you're gonna find like coffee, refillable stuff. You can also order hot food, and it's a cafe, very fun. So you can get like lattes and stuff, and there's a seating area over here. Yeah, some really cool snacks and stuff. Really convenient to have. And then we have a little bit more fancy stuff on this side. So it's gonna be that parks merch that if you're looking for and you didn't get in the park, you can still grab here at the shop, which is fabulous. Yeah, we're gonna come out here. I'm just curious what's down here. I don't think it's anything. I think it's just more, it's rooms. But because I'm curious, taking you along with me. Yeah, I think it's just a long resort, and then it has the conference center attached to it. So yeah, looks like they do have a little pool of their own over here as well. Looks like it's a smaller one. I don't know if I can get back there, but they do have like a small pool for this area as well. Same thing like at the beach club. They have that little pool at the end, as well as the big one in the middle. So let's head back this way. I'll meet you guys back in the lobby. This is a really cute little window seat you can sit. Just some fun stuff that you guys can enjoy while you're here. Again, this carpet, fantastic. But yeah, this whole thing is that marketplace. So it's quite large. We're gonna keep walking. It's so weird how dark it is in here. And we're gonna go down the opposite hallway on the other side of this resort. So I came in these doors, and now we're gonna go this way where the Ale and Compass restaurant and lounge is. And we're gonna walk down this hallway. It kind of takes you towards Beach Club. But yeah, this is really cool. Again, it smells fancy. So we have some more stuff over here. This is gorgeous. Sometimes I just like walking the resorts because they're just so different from each other. Even like Yacht and Beach are so different, even though they're literally attached, basically. But yeah, so this is getting to the pool. A really cool pool that Yacht and Beach shares. Might come out here for a minute, give you a nice view of the pool. Also some little rocking chairs you can sit out here. But yeah, this is the sand bottom pool. It's really cool. There's a pirate ship slide. Yeah, this resort, this pool, this stuff is so cool. You can also walk, I think, almost the entire length from Yacht and Beach together outside, so it is connected. There's a windmill over here. Just some really cool stuff. Can I enter back this way? All right, let's go back inside just because there's some lounges and stuff inside that I haven't showed you guys. Let's head back in. It's just down the hallway from where I was. Got some restrooms here to my left, as well as a water bottle fill-up station, which is great for the summertime. The Cruise Cup Lounge. Pretty small. They have a nice little menu. Never been there. It's pretty cool. Lots of wood textures. The Yachtsman Steakhouse, which is going to be a steakhouse, so it's going to be pretty expensive, very fancy. So look at the menu here. honestly, it looks delicious and smells delicious. So this is where you have to go outside, basically. Some cool artifacts and stuff. So there's no more inside until you want to go into the Yachtsman Steakhouse. So we have to come back outside, which is fine because it's gorgeous out here today. And the pool is really cool. So we're gonna walk. This is basically walking towards Beach Club. So we're gonna keep going because although it's part of the Beach Club, I do want to show you something else. But like I said, this is such an easy resorts to get to, which is great. This is the ShipShape 24-hour access fitness center if you guys want to go on a treadmill or anything. And this is where you enter the pool. Super easy if you just keep walking too. Boom, we are basically at Beach Club now, technically. Kind of where this pavement changes. Now you're at the Beach Club, which at the Beach Club, which is very easy to get to, is Beaches and Cream, which is a great little soda shop. It has food, it's small, so you kind of have to be aware. And then we also have the arcade as well. So Yacht and Beach, great place to stay. Yacht is amazing. It's very fancy, has some really cool touches to it. The steakhouse looks amazing. Just the vibes are immaculate. It's a good time. And this pool, well worth it. Like I said before, this resort is also great because it connects you to Epcot really easily, the Boardwalk really easily. You have all of the amenities of that as well. Swan and Dolphin is also here. It's just such a chill resort, and this pool area you cannot beat. One of the best, if not the best on property. Seriously, such good for families, friends, yourself. It's just such a cool experience here. And the sand pool is awesome. Like I said, this is the best pool on property in my opinion. It is the coolest. You can only get in if you are staying here as well. The steakhouse in here looks real fancy. I don't know if you guys can see in there. It looks really good. I'll have to try that this year. So many things on my 2025 bucket list for Walt Disney World. But yeah, it looks delicious. It smells really good. I can like smell it. But yeah, super amazing. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Can you guys see that chandelier up there? Wow. Yeah, definitely have to try here one day. It looks really fancy, but it is great because you have access to both of these resorts as well. Very easy to get to, lots to do, lots to relax, lots to see. Great resort too. Both of these resorts are great if you want to do a workout because you can just run. There's like a running walking trail around the boardwalk too. So it's a great option if you want to do a little bit of fitness while you're here and not in the gym. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you would stay here. Which one would you guys stay at? Yacht or Beach Club? I don't know. They're both amazing. So I really don't know if I could choose. But as long as I have access to this pool, I really don't think I'd care. But like I said, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!